Welcome to Kenzi Residence. I'll be taking you through our progress for the month of May 2023. For this of reference, I'm going to divide our project into two parts. This side, I'm going to refer it as the tower portion. Back side, I'm going to refer it as the swimming pool section. So right now, we're in the swimming pool section. We casted our columns which are beneath this slab. So from basement 3 to basement 2. We have also casted this basement as well. And we have casted the columns. So these ones are spanning between basement 2 and basement 1, which is going to be the overlaying basement above where I'm standing. We are pouring water to the columns so that the concrete can cure and gain the required strength. So this is usually a technical requirement from an engineering perspective, that you have to pour water so that the concrete can cure well. So we have casted the ramp serving from tower side, basement 2, to swimming pool, basement 2. Right beneath me are the water tanks. So we have been able to cast the tank walls. We have also done this slab, basement 1 slab in the tower section in this month. We have done the columns. We have also done the retaining wall. So this is going to be our last retaining wall, spanning between basement 01 and the ground floor.